Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create multiple pie charts in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then we go to the home menu. Select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and select the chart option. Now I am select the pie chart and click the pie, then click OK. Wait some moment to inserting the chart. Then we can see here insert a pie chart. Then we close the data, then resize the chart. Press and hold shift on our keyboard to make the chart with perfect ratio. Then go back again the insert menu, select the chart option, then again select the pie. Now I am insert the 3D pie, click OK. Again wait some moment. Otherwise you can copy the chart. Click right button, select the copy option, then click right button again, select paste and move side by side. Go to the chart design menu and change the chart type. You can make the chart 3D. Now we can see we insert multiple pie chart very easily. You can change the chart data or edit the chart easily. Select the chart and click the element option. You can add the data label or add legend or remove legend easily. Now I am select the chart and add legend. You can change the title. Select the title and change this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.